Today then I'm moving on to doing the cladding on my boiler. I've got the bands on my boiler, the inner bands. I've shown you that in one of my previous videos. I've got to put some insulation in yet, but in the meantime I've been cutting my outer cladding plate, and I've cut this from a piece of 18 gauge steel plate that I had, and how I've cut it is exactly the same as I did in my footplate video with my hand grinder and a straight edge. So if you're not quite sure what I mean by that, just take a look back at my footplate video, how I cut the plates for them. So I've just got to tidy these plates up then, and then I've got to drill 2 holes in the centre one. I'm putting three plates on where the clack valves will be on the circumference. So I'll just get these plates cleaned up, then I'm going to go over and drill those holes. Okay, then I've got my holes drilled for me where my clack valves will be, and what I'm going to do now, I'm going to bend these freehand, well not freehand, I'm going to bend them round somewhat of a suitable diameter. I know they're going to spring back open, but I want to get the basic shape rather than paint them on a flat sheet and then bend them. I'll probably damage the paint. I think that's it for this part. In the next part of the cladding I'll move on to making the brass rings which clamp the cladding outer wrapping position. So I'll catch you on the next video for that. If you've not seen my other videos, take a look at them, and if not, I'll catch you on my next video then. Thanks for watching then. Bye for now.